My dear friend, the Lord desires to bless both your sons and your girls. Yes, according to Psalm 144 verse 12, our daughters will be like pillars carved to adorn a palace, and our sons in their youth will be like well-nurtured plants. As a result, your sons were well cared for plants when they were young. They will flourish in everything they do and be like a well-watered garden dot or a tree whose leaves never dry up. How are your daughters doing? They would resemble exquisitely carved pillars used to ornament a palace. You will have regal daughters.